unlucky. Almost look clean. You almost got that on camera. What's up, buddy? Look at this thing. It looks like it's from Jurassic Park. Look at those orange eyes. Yeah, bro. It looks like a dinosaur.
You said Jurassic.
Yeah. Jurassic. What?
Oh my god.
What?
It's Jurassic Park.
Jurassic?
Yeah.
Isn't it Jurassic Park?
No. Jurassic.
Well, shit, it's on me. Shit on me. Okay, Jurassic Park. Now I can't put that whole clip in, eh? Hey, Midas, what's your thoughts on these things, bro?
That'd f*** you up in one second.
Bro, it would. So we just stopped in the middle of nowhere. Amit's over there filling up petrol. Yeah, show us what you got, bro. Do you got any skills in the locker? Yo, that. Whoa. Okay. Oh. Yes, sir.
Proper, this here was so signature.
Yeah, proper, eh?
There's the pearls, Hazel. Like you used to be able to just see straight through the pearls, right?
So we just made it to the flats, and this is the view. Mud things. What's happening, bro?
Come see this.
I saw this. It's a double
We
shower.
can shower together.
Yeah. Let's go. That's so funny. I already tuned Levi when we came here. We're gonna have a shower together.
Yeah,
So.
I should be like that.
Yeah. If you don't shower with your friends, are you even friends? So we'll decide and then say, okay, she must come at 11 or 12, whenever we all want to be. Okay, so we're just walking down to the beach. First swim. I'm really looking forward to it. But damn, look at that. That looks fantastic. Are you excited for the swim?
Yes, very.
Nice. Yo, that looks premium, man. Wow. Give us, are you excited to swim, bro?
Yeah, bro, I'm so cute.
I like the scarf. You're definitely pulling it off, bro. Here's your mask. No, your makeshift mask, bro. Let's go. The water's actually premium, eh? It's just rough. That's how you doing, bro? How's Kievis? What's happening? Well, shot this one. Yeah. Okay, I'm watching.
Two very boring minutes later.
What's happening, guys? We are currently in Durban. Hold on. And as you can see, it's pretty rough out here, but it's a good time. Kevin, you enjoying yourself?
Yeah, very lucky.
I think I'm gonna get out, eh? What's your thoughts? Should we get out? Or should I like drop in, Kevin? Hey?
Yeah, drop in.
Come on, Kievis. Oh, that could have been bad, man. Holy. I don't even know if I filmed that. I was about to try to catch you, man. Holy, that was close. You good. You survived. Let's go. Let's go, Kievis.
Early the next morning.
Okay, good morning, guys. So we are in Durban and we have decided to come on a hike this morning. So we're driving past the first parking and it was actually full, the first parking. So we've come to the parking the other end.
Boring.
And we have come to the second parking and it's actually full as well. So we have to wait till we can get a spot to actually start the hike again. But yeah, nothing we can do. We're just waiting at the moment.
I was just waiting.
But Kevus, what you saying, bro? You excited?
Yeah, I'm quite excited. Looks like some nice terrain, so we can do actually a little bit of hiking already, walking just the trail.
Yeah.
Some waterfalls, can go for a swim. That'll be a vibe, and I mean, nice to be out in nature, and Durban's beautiful.
Durban is beautiful, bro. I'm surprised. This area is crazy, bro.
Yeah, if you haven't been to Durban, we highly recommend it. Go to Umhlanga for like the jaw, and then move out into Durban, see the nature.
Yeah, it's crazy beautiful here, bro.
Yeah,
so we're literally right by the parking lot, and there's a river right here. So very, very premium.
Comment down in the comments below if you think you can just drink this water straight.
Yeah, we were discussing earlier. Do you guys think we can just drink this water straight? Is it clean? Can you just fill up your water bottle? I don't know. What do you think?
The algae works as a filter, and then you can just drink it straight.
It's hard to say that it is running water, but at the same time, there's probably gang dust and shit in there.
Okay, so we're just waiting to get a parkings, and then I will let you know when we gotta start the hike. But for now, we are just waiting around. I'll see you then.
Soon after.
Okay, so we just started the hike. We got a parking and we are on the way. But I'll keep you updated on how it goes. It is beautiful so far. Let's go. That's very cool, hey? Yo. Dev, give me a thumbs up there, boys. Yes, sir. So this thing is called a shongololo, if you didn't know what this is. Massive thing. Is the millipede? We call it a shongololo. Cheers, bar. So we just arrived at this waterfall and it is crazy. Look at this, bro. Wow. Oh my word. But yeah, this is crazy, man. Okay, I'm gonna try 10 jump trips. Kevin's already made it, but let me go through. Okay. Cheers, Waterfall. So we've been hiking for quite a while. So far we've seen the first waterfall and now it's just been a lot of grassland, but it's very enjoyable so far. It's really, really beautiful out here. But apparently we have around 3Ks till the next waterfall where we can have a swim. So I will probably see you when we get there. Okay, we made it, boys. Let's go. You ready? Let's go. You gotta run, start to the street. Woo! Okay. Okay, 3, 2. Woo! What's his face? I got caught a little bit, eh? Whoa! Touching the rock! Or is that a laugh? No, you're like, I'm touching the rocks! I'm touching the rocks! Waterfall racing, I'll give 8.5 out of 10.
Yeah, like
fair?
8.3,
8.3? Okay.
It could be like a bigger...
even smaller but more chill to just lie under and get a bit of a
easier to swim.
I don't know what I would like, but 8.2 is a good race.
Yeah, but otherwise, it was fantastic. It was a great time. But let's get on with the rest of the hike. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Okay, so we're coming towards the end of the hike now. And what a great experience it was. I think it was called Kranzkloof hike. I'll put it in right there if that's wrong. But wow, what a great experience. But we're coming towards the end. So quickly before my phone dies, the plan is to go get some food. And then we're gonna go skate to some skate park in Durban. But that is the plan. Cheers if my phone dies.